Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and the tiger's eye is definitely in the building. New Mobile G3 back in effect. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the new Mobile G3. As you guys see from before, I did actually review this on my channel already, but now they come with a new and improved version where they basically added Oreo update 8.0, and it does come with a few features that you get with Oreo, and hopefully it will have Android Pie. But the way that Android Pie is looking right now, I don't really trust it on many devices. So you do get dual SIM on this, a big long-lasting battery, and they do have a promotion that they're running with Mint SIM Mobile. If you guys never heard of them, then you could definitely check them out. But they are actually running a promotion with them. I'm not sure if it expired already, but they are actually giving away 3 free months of Mint SIM Mobile. But this is the phone itself. No more talking. Let's get straight into the boxing. Let's pop out a little Miggy real quick. Let's unbox this baby. See what everything looks like. Now on the back, you do have a bunch of information. It's more technical stuff that, you know, has like the bands or whatever, but you guys don't want to see that. Shout out to little Miggy for doing it properly. And it does come in 2 new colors now. So you have a sapphire red color, and you have the tiger's eye, which is the one that I got. I just actually picked up a red iPhone XR, so I don't need another red phone at this moment. But this tiger eye, from the pictures and videos I've seen, man, this thing is beautiful. Alright guys, so here's what it says on the back of the box if you guys haven't seen it on the original unboxing, or if you guys are thinking about picking it up. Now, it does have a 5.7 inch 1440 by 720p display, 2.39 gigahertz octa-core CPU processor, a dual rear camera, 13 megapixels and 5 megapixels. In the front camera you have a 13 megapixel dual SIM capable, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, and a 3000 milliamp battery. So you do get a lot of flashy specs here, so let's just pop this baby out and see what it looks like. Can't wait to see it. New mobile on deck. And they are actually running a promotion with Mint SIM Mobile, where you get 3 months for free. I'm not sure if that promo's still going on, but we'll definitely find out later. So you have the phone right here in front. Definitely want to check out that tiger's eye. And we have a little guide here saying thank you in English and in Spanish. So if you guys want to translate that, you definitely can. Check it out. Put that to the side. So let's just unbox this baby and see what you get. So you get a manual guide right here. Getting started with your new Mobile G3. Get a free case. I did actually like this case when I first used the blue one. It's a regular thin case, and it will protect from scratches for the back of your device. What else you get? You get a power brick here for your 3000 milliamp battery. See what it's clocked in at. 0.3 amps, so it's not that fast. And we have our Type-C cable as well right here. Type-C is definitely on deck. And remember guys, this phone is only $199. It does run Android Oreo, and you have your SIM injection tool. So forget all that stuff. See what the phone looks like. This is all what you guys want to see. The first thing I'm reminded of is an S7 Edge, but a little bit taller. Or even like an S9, you could say. Alright, here we go. 5.7 inch, 1440 by 720p, a MediaTek 2.39 gigahertz octa-core, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, fingerprint scanner in the back, 13 and 5 megapixel in the rear cameras, 13 megapixel in the front cameras. New mobile, unlocked phones, made better. So, oh wow. Okay, so I'm definitely digging the brown so far. Looks pretty sexy, not gonna lie. And let's take off this back piece right here. Alright, so let's just peel this out. Okay. Oh man. Look at that. Just look at the way it hits the light. Oh my god. This is some next level stuff here. Now, you see those little lines that run through? I don't know how they did that, but that thing is beautiful. So it looks black on the dark shade, but as soon as it hit that light, it's beautiful. On the bottom, it's almost like a rose gold color, which is pretty good. And all around, it's that same rose gold. Wow, this is really nice. So feels great in the hand. Feels light. It does have a little bit of heft to it, but it's definitely a light device. Perfect placement. See how the camera hump is? Pretty flush. And on the bottom, Type-C, you don't have a headphone jack on this one. SIM ejection, I mean the SIM card is up top. Volume up and down is pretty good. And we have our logo for NUU right there. So, in the hand, really nice device. Dual SIM capable. It's running Android Oreo now, so definitely we'll have an update on this device, and I will definitely let you guys know if anything has improved as far as the last time I had it, and if anything will be better. So it does have a 720p display, which is not bad. I am rocking an iPhone XR, which has an 820 display, but totally different subject. But this is definitely something that I would definitely try, and I will have an update on this again. Big shout out to NUU for actually sending this out to me. This color is amazing. I can imagine how the red one will look in person, but this brown one is no slouch. But the fingerprints are definitely getting on my nerves a little bit. So let's see how it looks to the case. Of course, you see the fingerprints on the case, but this is definitely a really nice device. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of new mobile products and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.